Hello, Kirsten. How many animals of each did Moses put on the ark? None. It was Noah, not Moses.
Huh?
It was Noah, not Moses. Say silk 5 times.
Hmm?
Silk. Silk.
Silk, 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 silk.
Now say, what do cows drink?
Water.
Oh man, she got me good. She got me good. Alright, imagine this. You're driving a bus. 10 people came in, 5 came out, then 5 more came in. What's the bus driver's name?
Hmm?
What's the bus driver's name?
What's the bus driver seeing?
Name.
I don't know.
Kirsten. I said,
I'm
imagine
driving a
this. You're
bus?
driving a bus.
Oh.
Got the hoe.